Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to hide apps on Android. First thing you need to do is to swipe up from the home screen to open the app launcher. Tap the three-dot menu, which is usually in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap Settings or Home Screen Settings depending on your phone. Then select Hide Apps. Now scroll or search for the apps you want to hide. Tap to select them, and once selected, tap Done or Apply. Hidden apps won't appear in the launcher but can still be found using Search or in Settings. This method works on Samsung, OnePlus, and some other Android devices with built-in launchers. If your phone doesn't have this option, you can use third-party launchers like Nova Launcher or Microsoft Launcher for more control. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.